Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Well, folks, back from vacation from Hawaii, long week of vacation, recharged, ready to go, and right away I'm gonna be doing the updated video and XPeng. I follow a lot of EV market, growth stock, and share with you guys what are we looking at and where we at. I'm a long-time investor on these stocks, also a day trader and a swing trader. I usually talk about a lot of long growth investment stock. So let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm excited. I'm pumped because there's some very important news came out for XPeng, and I want to share with you guys. Right. Before I talk on the technical side, let's talk about the target price. Right now, it's rated as 6S buy. Right, zero hold, zero sell. Let me analyze, make it for you guys to see it properly. So yeah, 6 buy, zero hold, zero sell, $51 upside from the current price, low of $46. I mean, not even close to the low. We're below actually the low level. Average is 54, high is 57. So this is the target price. My target price is over $150. Yes, folks, I am not smoking weed. It is a between 3 to 5 year time frame for the long term on this growth on the stock, right, for XPeng. So also, news came out today, August 1st, new month, new trading times. What we are looking at, right? Dow Jones futures loom and the stock market really is near the highs of Tesla rivals, NIO, which I cover all the time, Li Auto, and XPeng, right? So Chinese NIO and EV Chinese rivals, XPeng, Li Auto, BYD are set to release their July sales within the few days. Some are likely to do before the U.S. markets opens on Monday, right? I'm doing this video today on Sunday. Haven't got an updated on the sales video for the XPeng on NIO yet. I wish I had it, but I'm sure it will be released later tonight. So what are we looking at? Chinese EV makers are trying to maintain that rapid growth aimed of chip shortage and supplies, right? I don't see a lot of chip shortage news anymore coming out. Looks like they are overcome with that. Meanwhile, China stocks have come under heavy pressure as Belgium has cracked down a private industry, including a US-listed Chinese companies, internet, consumer data, and firms. So this is was driving the prices down because there were a lot of news that US trying to delist all the Chinese companies. But NIO, XPeng, these kind of companies are not a small companies. They are a multi-billion company and they have a support from the government. If the government is supporting them in a massive way, these companies are legit. So there's nothing to be worried about. So far, China has not cracked down in auto or EV makers especially, but the risk is always there. More US investors may steer clear the Chinese equities and entirely, and others will come extremely worried. Yes, like I said, I'm not worried about they are not tracking down any of the EV or automakers company on how the companies are doing. So that's something that came out today, right? Let's talk about the growth, right? I have a couple more news to cover. My apologies if I'm boring you, but I'll talk about the growth of the stocks a lot, and then I'll talk about the technical analysis, right? Yesterday, XPeng officially launched one project. It will be the building its first global platform, right? So what they are looking at, the project has presented annual capacity of 10,000 units, which will achieve on the annual output more than 30 billion yen when it reaches the production. Wow, that's a massive growth we're looking, right? I always talk about growth, folks. I always talk about growth because that's something that we gotta pay attention when you're investing for the long term for the company, right? The key stuffs we talk on that. One project is, like as mentioned, 100,000 units to achieve the annual output more than 30 billion yen if it reaches the production, as XPeng announced. By 2025, penetration rate of smart cars in China in the first year cities will reach 60%, right? We know in California, 2030, the in California state, they are saying that there will be no more sale for the for the uh, for the automakers. They all want EVs. We'll see on that, right? That's the California. So I just want to throw in a quick on that. In March, penetration rate of new energy vehicles in China is to be exceed by 10% in the first year of share electric vehicle sales of 20% in the first quarter of 2021, right? He believes that smart cars are coming are sooner than expected, and China expected to see this industry's first jumping inflection point at 2023 and explosive smart cars and distribution of traditional function vehicles from 2023 to 2025, right? That's what I'm saying, because in California, the government has mentioned that by 2025 to 2030, they want all the cars to be EV makers. We're going to see on that, right? We'll see definitely on that. So the fourth plant, right? Talk about growth. I love talking about the growth of a company, and I will keep discussing that. So the XPeng Motors chairman, XPeng discussed the location of the company's research and development center for the fourth factories in Changwon in Western provided province on July 27th, right? XPeng celebrated the 1-year anniversary delivery of the flagship sedan of P7 on July 27, and the company held an event to celebrate the occasion. He held the talks with officials of German district before attending the event, aiming to increase the investment in the area, right? Growth. We want to see this company go all the way high, right? Remember, my target price for this company is $150 per share, and I can definitely see that, right? Let's talk about the technical side before I let you guys know what are we looking at, right? Well, folks, right? If you have missed the trend over here when the stock was at $20, which I did also, and when it came around at $24, and yes, $24.50, where I loaded up the shares because it gave me an opportunity to reinvest on XPeng. Folks, we are about to explode. Why I'm saying that, what I'm seeing it is our 200-day moving average has acted as a massive support, right? It came below on the 27th, came all the way to $33.70 when I was on the vacation. I looked at it, and it gave me an option to load some call options, which are for the long term. And folks, buyers stepped in because our 200-day moving average sitting at roughly at $35.68, 63 cents. Our 60-day sitting at $38.45. Our 20-day sitting at $39.45. And you have seen it right here. We are trading below our moving average, which is meaning it's an indication for an uptrend. Yes, folks. RSI is putting high. MACD, you'll see right up here, right? This yellow bar is about to cross over the blue bar. It's all pointing for the uptrend, right? So what I'm going to do is draw a pattern right up here, right? This is the pattern that we got to break out, right? And see if it holds, right? So I'm going to have it right up here to see if we have a breakout pattern, which the white line will see, which is a magic line, and we'll see if we're gonna break out on that on this downtrend pattern. So what we need to break out is $41.73 and hold, and $44.66. If we broke out at $44.66, we're about to go test the highs of 47. Gives a clear indication for the uptrend. But right now, when we had this breakout from 22 all the way to $43.50. All the way to $48.50, and then we had a pullback, which they expected. People have took the profits from all the way up here, get out, right? So we're gonna see in the breaking down this channel to see it, but time and time our 200 and moving average acted as a massive support for us, right? This week, $41.73 is the next resistance level, and then $44.66 is the next one. I am very confident that we're coming back and retesting these two levels and trading in between. Kind of gives the indication to break out this pattern on the down slope pattern, right? Thank you for watching the video, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification for constantly be updated. For this week is a very critical week for us. The delivery number is going to be coming out very soon. I'm going to do an update video on that, and stay tuned for the XPeng's Q2 update coming too. Yeah, folks. and how the Q2 delivery numbers acted, the entire recap of Q2. So stay tuned on that for more videos to come this week. I'm back from vacation. I'm excited and I'm pumped for this stock very much like you guys. So thank you everyone for watching the video, and good luck on this week trading week. Thank you.